If you're in the market for an electric vehicle, the Mazda MX-30 is a standout choice. This compact SUV seamlessly blends Mazda's signature design with eco-friendly features. It boasts a stylish coupe-like exterior and an interior made from sustainable materials. Plus, with a starting price of just $35,485, the 2023 Mazda MX-30 offers great value, going up to $38,395 depending on your chosen trim and options. Power and performance. The all-electric MX-30, equipped with a 143 horsepower motor that delivers 271 Newton-meters of torque to the front wheels. While all-wheel drive isn't an option, a future plug-in hybrid version will combine an electric motor with a rotary gasoline engine, potentially introducing AWD capabilities. Although its 8.7-second sprint to 60 miles per hour falls short of some rivals, the MX-30 excels in agility. True to Mazda's heritage, the MX-30 boasts a playful chassis and sharp steering, capturing the spirited essence of the iconic MX-5 Miata sports car. Range and charging. Unlike other electric vehicles, the MX-30's 30 kilowatt-hours battery pack is on the smaller side. With an EPA estimated range of just 100 miles per charge, it falls short compared to the Bolt and Kona Electric, which offer over twice the distance. At a DC fast charger, the MX-30 has a maximum flow rate of 40 kilowatt, requiring at least 35 minutes to boost the battery from 20 to 80%. Interior and cargo. The MX-30's interior embraces sustainability with natural materials like cork and recycled plastic bottles used for the breathable fabric upholstery. While front seat comfort accommodates 2 adults comfortably, the rear seats offer tighter head and leg room. A modern floating center console enhances space efficiency, featuring a digitized screen that controls the car's climate system. Mazda packs the MX-30 with appealing standard features such as heated front seats, a 7-inch digital gauge display, a power sunroof, and an auto-dimming rearview mirror. Though cargo space is somewhat limited behind the rear seats, versatile folding options ensure practicality for larger loads, like those from Costco. Infotainment and connectivity. Complementing the digital panel for climate controls and vehicle settings, Mazda's MX-30 boasts an additional 8.8-inch display seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. This secondary screen handles all infotainment essentials, from audio and navigation to the backup camera feed. Featuring Mazda's cutting-edge interface, originally introduced on the 3 sedan and hatchback, it ensures seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety. Named iActiveSense, this comprehensive suite of standard features is designed to enhance safety by offering collision mitigation and lane-keeping capabilities, thereby reducing the likelihood of accidents. Key safety components include automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, all provided as standard features. Dimensions. The front-wheel drive EV weighs 1,658 kilograms and measures nearly 4,400 millimeters in length, positioning it between the MX-5 and CX-30, which are also showcased in the same showroom. Its width spans approximately 1,800 millimeters, with a height of 1,562 millimeters. However, note that its ground clearance is limited to just 5.4 inches. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.